I have on the self-tanner towel. I feel like everybody has these. This towel actually has a hole in the back. Don't mind the noise. We're getting our house winterized, so they just come here and like blow all the leaves, clean the gutters, clean the steps, like get everything ready for the house to go through winter. Exciting, adulting things. I don't know if I said hi. Hi, how are you guys? I hope you guys had an amazing Christmas, an amazing holiday, and are ready to get down to business for the goals for the new year and all of that. So if you're new to my channel, hello, hi. I like to do challenges. So I don't do them every single month, but I like to spontaneously put them up for you guys. I will outline them. And in the past, I've done calendars, but some of the feedback has been that the calendars didn't work for your schedule, and you know, like how can I think of like what is going to work for everybody? So I put it in this format today, and I'm still giving you guys resources. So the last calendar, I also did multiple slides for you guys to go through and get recipes and this and that. So instead of like on this day you have to do this, you know, okay, this month I'm doing this every night, I'm doing this every day, and one of the things is you're doing 3 times a week. So I'm just gonna get ready because I'm sure the noise is, when I edit this, I'm gonna be like, ah, that noise is so annoying. So I'm gonna get ready, and we'll meet back in a little bit. Okay, so a personal goal of mine for 2022 is to feel really put together in a simple way. So I'm mixing a self-tanning oil with my regular face oil. I'll link both down below, and I mix them together and I get this glowy bronzy look. Obviously it's a self-tanner, so it does take time to develop, but I just find that I feel cute and I feel good, but in a very simple way. The same thing with my hair. I love getting blowouts, but with mom life, with work, with working out, cooking, I just can't see myself weekly just going to get a blowout anymore. So what I've been using is the Bondi Boost blowout brush. I've shown this so many times. It could not be easier to use, guys. It's just like brushing your hair. It has multiple settings, and I use the highest one. I do have thick hair and I have a lot of hair, so that's what works for me. And then I just do a rough blowout at first. I go in with the Bondi Boost hair oil, and then I go back in, and it just kind of like blends and melts into my hair. It makes it really shiny, and I got this idea from a professional who was doing my hair. They said do a rough dry, add the hair oil, and that's how your hair looks so good when you get a salon blowout. As you can see, it's silky, it's bouncy. I did one side and then left the other side undone. So this is the after and this is the before. So my before hair is kind of a hot mess, and the after is silky, soft, bouncy, and cute. So I'll have a code for you in a little bit. And then the same thing with my makeup. I just keep it really simple where it looks pretty, it looks healthy, it looks dewy, but it doesn't take 3 hours to do my makeup. It literally takes 5 to 10 minutes. So this is the finished look. I kept it super simple. Just this oversized shirt, so I still feel like cute and put together, but it was like very minimal effort. And I love the way my hair came out. If you guys want to try out the Bondi Boost blowout brush, I highly recommend just having it. Just something that you can whip out when you need it. And especially now, take advantage of the sale. Try it when it's on sale. If you guys use code BOXING30, you can save 30% off site-wide. So you can get the oil if you want to get it. You can also get the hair growth shampoo. That's another favorite of mine. But I highly recommend just having a tool like that if you're somebody that likes to get blowouts like I do, but you don't always have the time. It looks like I put in all this effort when it was so easy. Okay, so now let's talk about the January 2022 challenge. So just like my other challenges, they will be on my Instagram. You can follow me at @SamOscarl, and I make a highlight for them. You can screenshot the challenge, create an album in your phone. So that's what I did, the 2022 challenge, and save them all in the highlights. So if you have a really good book recommendation and you tag me in it, then I can repost it and save everything in the highlight. And I think the last challenge I did a November challenge. We did so good as a group, all doing it together, and I feel like the repost really helped. So the first thing is make a vision board and look at it every night before bed. It's scientifically proven. The last thought before you go to bed, you're going to think about it, you're going to envision, you might even dream about it. You might even get an answer to a question. Maybe you want to start a business and you're thinking about names or logos, or I know a lot of times the creativity comes to me in my dreams, or I'll wake up and I like answered my own question. Whether it's a hard copy, you come up with like this big poster board and you put it on your wall. I think I'm going to be doing that this year. A lot of times I make Pinterest ones, or I make ones on my phone. I put them as the background of my phone. That's another idea for you. But this year, I think I'm going to actually do like the big cardboard, a method that just seems to work for so many people. And that's what I'm going to do. So you're going to make a vision board and you're going to look at it every night before bed. That's the first part of the January challenge. The second thing is you're going to journal your ideal day, and then you're going to review it every morning. I started doing this and I attracted something in 4 days, something that was taking me months to get. I then got it in 4 days. I was psyched. I want to share it with you guys, and I've already talked about it on my channel, but I want it to live here on my TikTok. So in a journal, you're going to write down your ideal day. So you could say my ideal day, I wake up, I'm in my dream home, I am an entrepreneur, I'm running my dream business, like whatever it is that you want to attract. I'm driving my G-Wagon to the gym, whatever it is, materialistic. If it's just something emotional, you want to attract a new partner, I'm waking up to my soulmate, whatever it is. And then you're going to look at that ideal day every single morning. Love my beautiful home that I bought. Like, you would just, anything that it is that you're trying to attract. I'm using materialistic things because sometimes it's just easier to grasp, but it doesn't have to be that. Get a journal specifically for this and write down your ideal day. Then what you're going to do, and this is the law of attraction technique that I learned, you are going to read your ideal day every single morning. So you're looking at the vision board before bed, so you're seeing it, you're visualizing the pictures, but the writing down your ideal day is the emotional side of it. There has been so many studies that people can accomplish things in their brain. Once they accomplish it, like Olympic stars, they will run in their brain. They will think about them running, and then they're able to perform the same thing. Well, the reason why that works is because it's almost tricking your brain into thinking you already have it. When you think you already have it, this resistance that we create ourselves, saying like, oh, I'll never get that, I'll never be my desired weight, or I'll never have my dream job, or I'll never have my dream savings account. It tricks our brain into thinking we already have it. When you have the path of least resistance, then the universe claps for you. The universe wants to give it to you when you truly believe that you already have it. Third one, I give a little flexibility. Meditate every day, AM or PM. I was somebody so bad at doing meditations. I just like would kind of do them. I felt like they took a really long time. But I found apps that actually have like 7-minute meditations, and it completely changes my mood around. If you want your goals to work, whether they're fitness goals, whether it's weight loss goals, maybe you want to leave your 9-to-5 and be an entrepreneur, whatever it is, savings, buying a house, doesn't matter. When you are in the right energy, you're calm, you feel good, you're just giving off such good vibes. People want to be around you, people want to do favors for you, people want to help you, you want to help you. Most importantly, you feel good. In order to do that, I found that meditating, especially in the morning, but you could do it at night as well, puts me in such a different alignment. So I've also put on the next slide, which will be in the highlights, some of my favorite meditations. I have ones that you have to pay for, apps like Headspace, Superhuman. I've been loving the Superhuman app because she has like 7-minute ones, 10-minute ones, 30-minute ones, and then I put down a free one that you can find on YouTube. So the point of doing the meditation is to change your mood, change your vibration. The next one is complete 3 workouts per week. You can obviously do more. Working out makes you feel good. So whether you have body goals, fitness goals, or you just want to like do better, be more organized, make more money, attract a new partner, like whatever it is, working out makes you physically feel good. It's important to take care of your body. You only have one body. You can't just go to the store and buy a new one. So it's just part of that. Like, how can I feel good to accomplish my goals? And for me, it just builds so much mental clarity. The next one is prepare 1 healthy home-cooked meal a day, more if you can. So I know a lot of us are rushed around, we're busy, and you might do takeout or you might eat something processed or whatever, but if you could at least make 1 healthy home-cooked meal, whether it's your breakfast, lunch, your dinner, making oatmeal in the morning before work, that counts. I feel the best when I make home-cooked meals, whether it's fitness goals, weight loss goals, mental clarity, better skin, glowy skin. Just when you're cooking, you're making less processed meals. So that's why I put that on there as well. And I just know with like the modern world, with our world now, like it's hard to make all 3 meals a day, especially cooking for my daughter, and I do make her a couple different things. A lot of cooking, a lot of dishes, a lot of groceries. So that's why I said at least one home cooked meal. And the last thing is I want you to read a book this month. So read one book that will keep you inspired. And I then said next slide for my favorites. And I just put all of my books on here. So I put a little something for everybody. I put a Law of Attraction book, 2 Law of Attraction books. I put Atomic Habits, which is great for building habits if you want to be more organized and go after your goals and like really structure your goals. And that one's great. I put some finance ones. I have Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and Think and Grow Rich, which is really like a mindset book. I put a health book on there if you have health goals. Body Love Every Day by Kelly LeVeque, and then just an overall inspiring one, The Power of Now. So there's literally something for everybody, whether it's finance or manifesting or goal setting like Atomic Habits, literally one in each category, and that slide will also be on my Instagram highlights. So since you're getting this challenge at the end of December, you guys can already start working on it now and start like buying things this way if you want to get a new journal, if you want to get poster board to make a vision board, if you want to get a book and start ordering on Amazon or going to a bookstore, getting it on your phone or Kindle, whatever. At least now it gives you some time to prepare so that you can literally start January 1st. But of course, if you want to start right now and you already like have those things, then go for it. This is the challenge that I'm going to be talking about in January because I personally have big goals that I want to reach. So even though I'm making this challenge for all of us, for my community, for us to do together, creating a challenge for myself, what I want to do. There will be lots of content around that. So yeah, now I want to show you guys a simple dinner. I make this every single week. Anytime we're craving like salmon and pasta, I always make this because it's so simple. Okay, so for my salmon pasta, my daughter and my husband love this. I do too. So first I just start out by melting some butter. We're making the butter lemon garlic sauce. Then you want to add a half a lemon and then save the other half for later, add some garlic and add some sea salt. And then you're going to mix that together. The lemon butter garlic salt makes such a difference. We're always like, that butter though. There's a lot of butter in this recipe. So then I add it on top of the salmon. Make sure you get a high quality salmon and just paint it on there. I pretty much make salmon the exact same way every single time. So for me, this is just like a very no-brainer kind of meal. I could add this salmon on top of rice or a salad. Today we're doing pasta. And then I have some cherry tomatoes. Sometimes we even add in zucchini or asparagus, whatever you have. But this kind of makes like a chunky sauce. I love it. So garlic, lemon, butter, cherry tomatoes, see more butter. And then we add some fresh burrata on top, kind of like a fun twist. And then you have your burrata lemon garlic butter sauce. And it's really not as heavy as it seems. It's kind of like light and refreshing with the lemon. It's delicious. Let me know if you guys try it. Bye.